Hello everybody, welcome back. Let me show you how to resize the sequence. And the reason why I'm going to do that is because my clips, they're actually a little bigger than the sequence. When I started this sequence, actually I didn't have no clips. I'm doing a lyric video and then I just did it without the clips. But then when I decide to use this clip, they're actually bigger than the size of the sequence. So as you can see, if I click here and I click on the clip, it doesn't fit properly and then give me these black boxes on the side. And that really happens to every single clip. If I go to the beginning too, the side is not there, right? So the only way to fix this problem is going into the sequence settings, and right here we can see the size of the sequence. So it's 4096 by 1728 versus my clip, they are 4096 by 2160. So what we gotta do is just change the 1728 for 2160 and then hit OK. And I give you a chance to preview files format or the preview frame size require all previous files to be deleted. This operation cannot be undone. So I just don't care. I just want, and boom, voila, now I have a full frame and the frame size actually good. And if I click here, as you can tell, the clip now they fit properly on the sequence. That's pretty much it, you know, and that worked for everything. And then this guy already fixed. All I gotta do is click here and resize it back. Boom. And there you go. Now I have my top frame and my bottom frame and everything fits properly on the whole timeline. Cool. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I did this so I did not forget. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.